Brigadier General, thank you for attending this conference and speaking with us. Can I just ask you to provide a quick overview of what you see as perhaps the most important developments you're seeing within this domain from NATO's perspective?
Well, I do believe that the focus needs to be on the future, and not the short-term future, but the long-term future. If you look at all the NATO programs, the history of NATO programs, they take a long time to get consensus amongst 28 on how to proceed, and the economical environment didn't make those decisions easier.
And in terms of the challenges you're facing, first of all, is there a priority for the challenges that need to be resolved? And also, how are you going about looking to overcome some of those obstacles?
Well, I do believe that you need a parallel track. As I said, safeguarding the current capability whilst looking into a potential replacement, if nations decide to do so, is the only possible way ahead. Otherwise, you would have needed to start 5 years earlier.
You said earlier that this is a subject that is not new, but in terms of where we've seen the progress and perhaps the future outlook of the domain, what would you envision as being the future?
I do believe that you need a mission support capability across the spectrum. I do not see that very many nations would be in a possibility to have dedicated mission support aircraft simply because it costs too much money and it costs too much manpower to operate them. Therefore, a system of systems approach where you could put different domains together with a common C2 element seems for me a very appropriate way ahead.
And just on a final note, may I ask what value you see in attending an event like this, where you're meeting not only the military side, but of course the industry providers?
The value of such a conference is to get attention. You know, it's not easy. We are sitting in Bronsum, which is not the middle of the world. It's close to the middle, but not the middle. And you need to get your message out. So if you want to gain industrial interest, if you want to get military interest, such a conference provides a great forum to basically reach out to many people with different background in a 25 minutes presentation, and that is unique.
It's our pleasure having you here. Thank you very much for your time.